Alright guys, welcome to the video. Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Super excited about this video specifically, and the reason I'm so excited is because my Big Energy Profit members have had the opportunity now to take profit for a second time at 400 ticks. That's right, we got long at 78 bucks, and today in this session we hit a high of 82.04. We took profit at 80 bucks for 200 ticks. We've taken profit again at $82 for 400 ticks from our entry point. So super excited to share that with you guys. For those of you who have partaken in that program, I mean, just an amazing, incredible setup here, especially for the summertime. Getting really a nice rally out of crude oil. Now, I want to dial in very specifically in this video on the intraday volume. Why do I want to do that? Well, I want to do that because is there a way that a trader intraday can, I don't want to say successfully call the high, all right? Trying to pick the high or the low of a session can be very, very risky. But with that statement being made, volume is the one thing that can certainly give you that insight to potentially understand where a high could be being placed. Now, I want to show you this, right? Crude oil in the morning opens up the New York session at 9 a.m. And I mean, we came out of the gate swinging. Notice the 905 candle peaks out the buying volume there on the bottom of the screen. And then the 910 candle places the high for the session on lower buying volume, followed by a massive sell-off. And when I say massive, I'm talking about 55 ticks roughly. So intraday, that's kind of massive, but why do you think that happened? Because other folks, just like we were, Big Energy Profits, were looking at $82 as a bigger picture target. So when bigger picture targets get hit, well, what do you think sitting up here if you're long? A whole bunch of sell orders, right? So when those sell orders hit the market, they clearly imbalanced whatever buyers were left pushing into 82 bucks. You could see we took a pretty aggressive push here. We went on to put in a lower session or interior double top right here. If you notice this second push, high buying volume, unsuccessful in taking out the 82.04 high. So the market from there has been, basically continuing to fall back. We're just running here after the close of the official crude oil session, which is at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 14:30 hours. So you can see we are drifting higher here. We may still overtake 82 and may continue onward and upward towards our bigger picture targets that we have at Big Energy Profits. But if you're trading intraday and you see that you lose buying interest as you push into a new high, guys, there's a good chance there's going to be pushback, right? The more predictable setup is right here when you make the second attempt on high buying volume and fail to now place a new high. That tells me this high, this interior high here, is resistance, and you can see when it was retested, it did trigger a fairly aggressive sell-off. So that's it, right? Like, it doesn't have to be more complicated than that. Understanding when, where, and why other parties are interested will lead you to understand where it may or may not be the right time to partake in the market. So what I'd like to invite you to do is go below this video, click on the link. Actually, I'm going to place two links below there. One for Hawkeye Traders. I want you to have access to the indicators. I want you to have access to the Hawkeye Volume Mastery Series. I'm also going to place another link down there for Big Energy Profits, because maybe some of you would like to swing trade the energy sector utilizing volume and price action. So you may have interest in that as well. So below this video, I will place two links. Congratulations to Big Energy Profits members that are watching this video. 400 ticks, amazing. All right, guys, that's some pretty big profit there. That's $4,000 per contract closed at this current target. And again, we do have kind of bigger picture targets that we're still looking out towards. Whether we get there or not doesn't matter. We took profit at 200 ticks. We took profit at 400 ticks. I mean, just a phenomenal setup here. we never had the trade go against us, which is really just a beautiful thing. Like we got in at 78 and it just never went against us. So super excited to share that with you guys. Super excited to show you how you can identify in real time, intraday trading, how when a high is basically placed, right? And then that retest on increased buying volume with failure to push through is just the confirmation that the high has most likely been placed for the session. Whether we retest it or not, going into this evening, that is what it is. But this morning session, very predictable price action by just simply looking at the volume. Notice there's nothing else on my chart, right? There's volume and price action. Those two lines that are running are VWAPs, which are what? Volume weighted average price, okay? That's it. You don't need anything more than that to completely understand what's happening, when, where, and why. I see so many traders show me their charts, and there is so much garbage on there that you have no idea what you're even looking at. You are simply confusing yourself. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out those links below. Reach out to us with any questions you have. We'd love to get you up and running with these Hawkeye indicators on your screen. They work on TradingView, TradeStation, NinjaTrader, and MetaTrader. You can trade stocks, futures, forex, cryptocurrencies, options, understanding volume and price action. The limitations basically aren't there, right? Day trade, swing trade, position trade, doesn't matter. The interaction between volume and price action, that relationship is applicable no matter what you're trading or what approach you're trading it on. So I'll see you in the next video. Appreciate you being here. God bless. Have a beautiful day, and look forward to working with you.